You see there is bird just on the side of the wheel of scooter, and it's interesting bird because it's small one and color one around his eyes. He approaching here to my place. Obviously I'm good harmonics to this beautiful being, a little birdie being, and the sun is shining full. It's so beautiful here to be this mid island of Frankfurt, and I want to tell him, come birdie, play birdie bird, come birdie. Come to me, I love it. Yeah, very interesting because he's shy, but he's trying all the same to approach here. Now he's running around, jumping, and still pretending he wants to eat something, and I would give him some food if I had it just on my side. And it's beautiful to be here because and now he's jumping on the scooter. This is very funny to me. You see, now I move and he already moved along. There he is. You see, yeah, birdie bird. Interesting, very interesting. And there is my sunshine boy, Sinan. Yeah. He's playing along with his blue ball. Now he's coming to this side over here. Very interesting. I love this. It's good. Sounds good. Beautiful weather. Yeah.